up, y'all? So for today's video, first things first, what we're doing in today's video, I have to fix my radio because I accidentally messed with 2 wires and now my wideband don't come on and my boost gauge light doesn't come on. So that's what we have to, well, not you, because I don't want y'all to feel bad. You know, I'm a caring person, you feel me? I care a lot. You know what I'm saying? So it's something I have to do. You feel me? No, I'm sorry. So to show you guys what I'm talking about, I'm gonna put in the key, turn it, you know, the accessory thing on. Nothing. My radio should be on. That's on, and that's supposed to come on with that. But obviously, there's nothing on. So I have to figure out which 2 wires are not correctly something. I don't know what I'm saying. Damn, yo, it's a little too high. I feel like I'm digging holes out here. I feel like Shia LaBeouf, son. Shit. Well, I found my problem. You see my power wire here, and then my other wire here, the blue wires, they're supposed to go to this and that. And that's why my wideband and stuff isn't coming on. So let me just tidy that up real quick, and then hopefully it'll work. I would film it, but I ain't got 80 bones to throw at a tripod. So change of plans. We are now going to look at shops, because Roberto and Caitlin showed up in their brand new 2018 Honda Civic. Yeah. Robert, you look like Robbie from Big Murph's videos. You like the white version of Robbie. That's crazy. I both name is Robbie. Stop by Chris's shop first. I forgot which one it is, to be honest. Nah, you can see inside of it. I honestly forgot which one is Chris's shop. Oh, damn. Alright, Chris, catch you later, brother. So now we go call the place, get a price quote on the shop. We talked to Chris about it. Chris said, yeah, it's pretty solid in there. Still like 4 cars and whatnot. So now we go get the people to call. Kayla, you gotta let us know. You gotta like
okay. Alright, let me stand in the middle. Now y'all.
Black, bro. I think the black would look nice. Like, look at that. It looks more aggressive in my. The white would stick out too much. I should do a yellow banner.
That would be cool.
Hell no, that look ugly.
It's match the tire later.
That'd be way too much yellow. Cause I'm gonna have the yellow calipers, the yellow cage. I'd be doing way too much. I wanted the black because it's subtle.
Maybe when you take the plastic off.
It's not. That right there, Ripperino actually.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
No, I should peel off now. I should just go straight down. That's why it's good transfer paper. Oh, that would have been so nice. Robert and Caitlin dipped. I still didn't fix the issue on why my wideband light and boost gauge light isn't coming on, but who needs lights? You know what I'm saying? Who needs lights? But right now, we're gonna do a photo shoot of the car. By we, I mean me and Mai. Finally get to hang out with Mai for like the first time in 40 years. But he's coming through. We're gonna go to a couple spots, get some photos done so I can start posting to my Instagram. So y'all can stop asking me, yo, Zosh, what's going on with your Instagram, bro? You got hacked? Nah, I didn't get hacked, bro. I just archived all my posts and I deleted it, just all archived. The banner doesn't look too bad. I like that it's black though, because it's hidden, but I gotta redo it because I'll show you why. I don't know if you guys can see the ripples in it. Like right here, got a whole ripple line going on through it. Aww. So we're at the shooting location that I always go to now. I feel like I'm here like every other day. But we are with the man, the myth, the legend, Whoa! I haven't seen this nigga in years. Thinking Apple Watches and shit. Hey, chill out. Wait, were you wearing it? No. Wow. We're at the spot shooting again. Now I got the skirts on. Trying to get like one good shot here and then change the location from ever shooting here again. Well, this place was a bust. We're gonna go to a new location because there's way too much sunlight here. Mike can't get the proper shot. So we're gonna head down to Fort Pierce and to a new location that Mike wanted to go to. So, yep. So I'm chilling, right? And I look up next to me. Yo, it's Mike, yo. Hey, what's good, bro? Hey, yo. We out here. Hey, my dog, Mike, yo. That's crazy, bro. Wow, yo. So we found this spot. Mike is doing his illegal stuff. Trying to break through this mud sug so we can film in there, but looks like we can't. Man, you look majestic, bro. We're planning on shooting inside there, but that ain't happening. We found this new spot, but it says it's under 24-hour surveillance. Prosecutors will be violated or something like that, and this is what we're doing, you know, just for the gram and for the YouTube. We happen to get our cars probably towed and tickets in the mail and, ooh, fruit. I still be having trouble believing that this is my car, even though like, it's basic, yeah, basic green paint, top one diffuser, spoilers, side skirts. I still just like, it's been 4 years in the making, bro. 4 years, and like looking at this car now compared to how when I first got it and all the stages it went through with the front end conversion and then the stance phase and all the different colors of paint on the thing, it's awesome to look at my car in this light. Like, it's just great, man. This is what not giving up gets you. Just don't give up on your builds, man. Don't give up, man. Because you too can be inspired like me. I'm an Everest Community Colleger. You know what I'm saying? I went to Everest Community College. Well, I was about to hit y'all with some deep stuff, but I got out of that real quick. Yeah, I know y'all don't want to hear that, but you know what I'm saying? Just follow through with your build, man. Just follow through with your build, man. You know what I'm saying? B20 VTEC on boost. So before we get kicked out of here, decided to do like a little super street style picture-esque thing. But let me get out of Maya's way so he can shoot it. But that looks great. I need to get a thumbnail picture while I'm here. I thought we were getting kicked out, but we met a fan. What's up, bro? What's up? Shout out to the man Jamel. Cool dude, man. Real cool dude. Mike, you got some fire shots, bro? Bro, I was scared, bro. I thought we were gonna get kicked out, yo. Yo, that's our cars, bro. So we finally got kicked out of the other spot, but we found this cool spot up the road from it. Come on, zoom. This is a pretty cool spot. I do say so myself. I need a nice thumbnail picture if I do something like this. That boy Mike clean. Well, mine's going home. Time for me to go home and close out this video. The car's completely off, right? And my radio's still on. So I definitely wired something wrong. Oh my god, yo. So I didn't close out the video the day that I filmed the videos. The next day, today is Friday. It's already 11:30 and I'm so late on uploading this video. But since California is 3 hours behind, it's still considered a daily upload for my Californian people. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you can, smack that like button for me. That'd be greatly appreciated. Subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram because your boy started posting again. You know what I'm saying? But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.